Okay, today is 11th of September 2025, and we are on the house of Thullah Fatu. The address is 6501 Oak Street, Cheverly, Maryland. The zip code is 20785. The claim number is 2089125 P as in Peter. And we are on the main roof up there. That's the front floor. And that's the tarp. We're gonna tarp again this because they have a leak on it. And this is the back slope. And this is the shingle we're gonna try to repair today. This one will have the old shingle. And the first thing we're gonna do is to remove the shingle. That's the tools we're gonna use. That's a snake bar to remove the shingle. And I'm gonna start with this, removing the seal. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, remove the seal of the shingle. Okay. And if you're seeing it right now, we don't have no creases on the shingles. And the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the nail. Okay, got the first one, got the second one. Last one. This is the last. Okay. Now this is the one. And if you see, maybe you see that I'm lifting the shingle more than 3 inches. We tried to not damage the shingle, and we're carefully seeing it. If you see, it's less than 3 inches, and you see my hand. That's how I lift the shingle, try to not damage. That's the way how we remove the shingle. Okay, I got the first shingle. This is the one, and this is my measurement. It's a 36 by 12 and a quarter. And I have a 35 and a half and 12. It's a little bit smaller, so a little bit smaller, but that one is not an issue. See, it's not an issue. Yeah, still, I'm okay with it. Okay, now I'm gonna place the shingle again. Oh, and it's not only that. See, I see right here, I have a double layer of the shingle, and it's one point, like it's not possible to do the repair because it should be underlayment on this shingle. And also it says do not mix on the bundle. It's not only that, it's but it's a double layer. It's impossible to do the repair. But that's one point. Our main point is the shingle get damaged around, and that's why we're not able to do that repair. This is points only. We have a lot of points why it's not possible to do the repair. Okay, that's the hammer and the nail we're gonna use. This is the new ones. That's the one we're gonna use. How we nail it, this is the way how we nail. Okay, we got the first one, the second one there. And then one by one, we're gonna get it. Okay. Then and also if you see this one where I removed the nail, it's damaged, it's a hole because I cannot nail it on the same spot. It's another point, like the shingle gets damaged. Then the last one is this one. Oh no, we'll have two more. Okay, this is the thing happened when we try to repair this shingle. You see, we didn't lift it up that much. We tried to not damage the shingle, but still, if you see, the other shingles around it get damaged. If you see, that's a creases and a granule of loss. Granule of loss. Now the mat is exposed to the UV. It's not only that. Like if this shingle has a new seal, this one is going to get sealed, but this shingle is not going to get sealed because you know the seal is already broken. And how about many points why the shingle can't be repaired? And you know, if you see this shingle right here on the side, you're gonna mark it. That's the shingle. We didn't manipulate it, didn't lift it, and if you will see, it's no granule of loss. Why? Because we didn't touch this shingle. See? Still okay. But on this one, if you will see, we have the granule of loss. You see? And that's how the shingle cannot be repaired on this roof. And I did like mark everything. Like if you see there, it's impossible to do the repair on this corner, and has a 2-layer. And if you see right here, if you would try to repair this, you're gonna damage more shingles. And then if you will see, we have a tree damage. So like a tree is damaged, this is the tree's damage, and then have a missing. And also if you get here, that's the same thing. We had branches, the one hits the roof. We're gonna replace this. I'm gonna stop the leak on this one. I'm gonna tarp it up because it's leaking. And if you see right here, that's the same thing gonna happen with this shingle if we would try to repair. My suggestion on this one, as a roof specialist, it's a full roof replacement. See why? Because if you would try to repair one shingle, we're gonna damage more shingles. Also, if you see, we're gonna overlap all the underlinements on the ridge. Thank you so much, and have a great and wonderful day. Thanks.